Hello, good morning. Good morning, teacher. Please sit down. Thank you. I want to talk about your child. Yes, sure. Your child is good in class. He listens well and finishes his work. That's good to hear. Thank you. But in maths, he needs more practice. Okay, I will help him at home. He's quiet in class. He does not talk much. Yes, he's shy, but we are trying to help him. That is good. He's a good boy. Just needs a little push. Thank you, teacher. We will support him. Thank you for coming. Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day.